Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something practical, creative, and incredibly rewarding, wooden home furniture that you can actually make yourself. If you've ever walked into a furniture store, admired the beautiful pieces on display, and then looked at the price tag in shock, this video is for you. The truth is, many of those stylish wooden furniture pieces can be recreated at home with basic tools, simple techniques, and a bit of patience. In today's episode, we're exploring what we call the top 10 wooden home furniture ideas you can make easily, especially if you're a beginner or someone looking to build confidence in woodworking. Instead of overwhelming you with complicated measurements and technical jargon, this script will walk you through the concepts in a smooth and inspiring way, helping you imagine each project and understand how achievable it truly is. Let's begin by picturing one of the most beginner-friendly and useful furniture pieces you can build: a simple wooden coffee table. A coffee table is often the centerpiece of a living room, yet its structure is surprisingly straightforward. With 4 sturdy legs, a well-sanded tabletop, and secure joinery, you can create a modern, rustic, or minimalist design depending on the finish you choose. The key to making it easy is focusing on clean cuts and stable support. Even reclaimed or pallet wood can be transformed into a beautiful tabletop when properly sanded and sealed. The process teaches you essential woodworking fundamentals such as measuring accurately, aligning joints, and finishing surfaces smoothly. As your confidence grows, imagine building a small wooden side table or nightstand. This project adds 1 or 2 extra elements such as a lower shelf or a single drawer, but remains manageable for beginners. A nightstand allows you to experiment with symmetry and proportion while still keeping the structure simple. You don't need advanced joinery techniques. Strong screws, wood glue, and proper clamping can create a durable piece. Choosing a natural stain highlights the grain and instantly elevates the overall look. Suddenly, something you built in your garage or workshop becomes a functional and elegant addition to your bedroom. Now picture creating a wooden bookshelf. Many people assume bookshelves are complicated, but at their core they are simply vertical supports with evenly spaced horizontal shelves. The secret lies in careful measurement and proper leveling. Once you understand how to maintain balance and stability, building a bookshelf becomes a straightforward project. You can keep it tall and slim for small spaces or wide and open for a living room feature wall. Adjustable shelves can even be added later as your skills improve. A handmade bookshelf not only saves money but also gives you the freedom to customize dimensions according to your exact needs. Another approachable project is a wooden bench. Whether placed in an entryway dining area or at the foot of your bed, a bench is structurally simple yet highly functional. It typically consists of a thick top plank supported by 2 solid legs or a basic frame. The beauty of a wooden bench is that minor imperfections often enhance its charm, especially if you prefer a rustic or farmhouse style. Sanding the edges smooth and applying a protective finish ensures comfort and durability. This project builds your understanding of weight distribution and structural support while delivering a piece that can handle daily use. Let's move into dining room territory with a simple wooden dining table. While this may sound advanced, breaking it down into manageable steps makes it surprisingly achievable. The tabletop can be constructed from joined planks carefully aligned and clamped together. The base can be designed with straightforward legs and support beams. Precision is important here, but the design itself does not need to be complex. A clean, minimalist dining table can rival store-bought versions at a fraction of the cost. The satisfaction of sharing meals around a table you built yourself adds emotional value that cannot be purchased. Storage is always in demand, which makes a wooden storage cabinet or console table another excellent beginner project. A basic rectangular frame with doors or open compartments can dramatically improve organization in your home. You can start with open shelving and later attempt hinged doors once you feel comfortable. This project helps you practice alignment and door fitting while offering endless design possibilities. Painted finishes create a modern vibe, while stained wood offers warmth and timeless appeal. For smaller living spaces, a wooden TV stand is both practical and stylish. Its design can remain simple: a wide base, supportive legs, and perhaps a central shelf for media devices. Ventilation gaps and cable management holes can be added easily with proper planning. The key to success is ensuring the stand is level and sturdy enough to hold weight. By carefully reinforcing joints and testing stability before finishing, you create a durable piece that anchors your living room layout. Moving into the bedroom again, a wooden bed frame may sound intimidating, but it can be simplified into manageable sections. A strong rectangular base, evenly spaced slats for mattress support, and a simple headboard design are all you truly need. Starting with a low-profile platform bed eliminates the need for complicated box spring support systems. Precision in measurement is crucial, yet the structure itself is repetitive and logical. With proper screws and reinforced joints, you can build a bed frame that lasts for years. If you're looking for something lighter and more decorative, consider building wooden wall-mounted shelves or a compact desk. A desk can be as simple as a flat wooden top supported by two side panels or legs. Adding a small drawer later becomes an optional upgrade. This project is perfect for home offices or study corners and allows you to explore ergonomic dimensions. The reward is a workspace tailored exactly to your needs. Finally, imagine creating a wooden wardrobe or clothing rack. For beginners, an open clothing rack made from sturdy wooden beams is an easier starting point than a fully enclosed wardrobe. The structure is straightforward. Vertical supports, a horizontal hanging bar, and a stable base. This piece introduces you to vertical load-bearing design while maintaining simplicity. Over time, you can expand your skills to create enclosed cabinets with doors and shelving. Throughout all these projects, one principle remains consistent: simplicity leads to mastery. Each furniture piece, no matter how large it appears, can be broken down into basic shapes and structural components. When you focus on accurate measurement, strong joints, and smooth finishing, even beginner projects can look professional. The finishing process plays a huge role in elevating your furniture. Sanding thoroughly removes rough edges and imperfections, while staining or sealing protects the wood and enhances its natural beauty. Choosing the right finish can transform a basic build into a standout centerpiece. Another important aspect to remember is sustainability. By building your own furniture, especially from reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood, you reduce the demand for mass-produced items that require significant energy and transportation resources. Repurposing wood from previous projects not only saves money but also minimizes waste. Wood is a renewable material, yet forests take years to regenerate. Thoughtful use of materials contributes to a more environmentally conscious lifestyle. Creating wooden furniture at home is not just about saving money. It's about learning valuable skills, building confidence, and expressing creativity. Every cut teaches you precision. Every joint teaches you strength and balance. Every completed piece represents progress. The more you build, the more comfortable you become with tools, measurements, and design decisions. Over time, projects that once seemed impossible begin to feel natural. There is also something deeply satisfying about living among furniture you made yourself. Each table, bench, or shelf becomes part of your daily routine. Instead of simply consuming products, you become a creator. That shift in mindset transforms not only your home but also your sense of capability. If you're just starting out, begin with the simplest project that excites you most. Take your time, double-check measurements, and don't rush the finishing stage. Mistakes are part of the learning process, and each one helps you improve. Woodworking is not about perfection, it's about growth and craftsmanship. Thank you for joining us as we explored these inspiring wooden home furniture ideas you can make easily. If this motivated you to start building, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more woodworking inspiration. Keep learning, keep creating, and most importantly, keep building a home filled with pieces that reflect your effort and imagination. We'll see you in the next video.